Motorsports, and thank you for your interest in this one-owner 2023 Aprilia Tuono 660 Factory Edition. 2,300 miles and in mint condition. Got a light drizzle just starting to fall here in central Pennsylvania. You can see front cowling headlamp, perfect condition. Front tire still has a lot of life left in it. Fuel tank is perfect. Light's never been down. It's got factory warranty good through the end of July 2025. New rear tire. We do have the infill here if you want to remove the passenger seat. So we have that infill, 2 keys, owner's manual. Fuel tank is perfect.